Hi guys! Welcome back to my beauty session. So today, I'll be the Rudolph Girl Alu. So please kindly tag Rudolph dahil may utang pa siya sa aking kiss. I mean, may utang pa siya sa aking gift. Okay, so these makeup looks are inspired by Beauty Soup in Instagram. So if you're a fan of her just like me, please be gentle with me po. So, enjoy watching and Merry Christmas everyone! Okay, bago ang lahat, I need to apply a makeup base using Misha's Signature Radiance para mag-last yung makeup lalo sa face. I'll brush up my eyebrow first, then gagamitin ko yung brown na Nude Brown eyeliner. Then, isi-shape ko lang yung brows, then fill the inside corners of the eyebrows. Create smooth and clear eyebrows. Gagamitin ko yung Maybelline Pure Concealer. I'll just dab the brush on the concealer, then carefully trace the outside corner of the brows. Then after, I'll spread or apply the concealer on my eye crease. This will serve as my eye makeup base. Using the Lancome eyeshadow, I'll use the Lizard or the dark brown shade to create a line or another crease on my eye. I'll be using the Sunkissed Bronzing Powder sa upper part ng ginawa kong crease line. Using the Pink Veil eyeshadow, i-apply ko siya sa eyebrow bone. Using the Fashion 21 Pearl Stick eyeshadow, I'll just apply it on my crease, then blend. Then para mas kitang-kita pa yung white shadow, gagamit po ako ng LA Colors eyeshadow. Using the Fashion 21 Pearl Stick, gagamitin ko siya for my eyeliner. Gagamit din ako ng white eyeshadow for my lower liner. Using the eyeliner Integrate Basic from Shiseido, i-apply ko siya sa upper and lower eyelid ko. Then using the dark brown eyeshadow, ilalagay ko siya sa lower black liner na ginawa ko. For my makeup foundation, gagamit ako ng Revlon Color Stay, the 2-in-1 compact. Using the foundation brush, I'll just spread the foundation on my face and blend it well. I'll be using the Maybelline Concealer and apply it sa under eye ko, tapos sa forehead and nose, and dun sa mga dark areas. Then, blend it using the sponge. I'll be using the Astralife Powder Foundation, and then I'll brush it evenly on my face. Contouring my cheeks, I'll be Colors. Then i-apply ko ang blush on my cheeks. And next is highlighting. Using the contour from 3D Blush LA Colors, gagamitin ko siya sa nose and create a line down to my nose bridge. Using the red shade from Fashion 21, I'll create a little V shape sa nose, then spread it in the sides. Using the Fashion 21 Pearl Stick, gagamit ako ng liner brush and create some fake or white snowflakes on my face. I'll be using the lip liner from Elizabeth Arden. For my lipsticks, I'll be using the Enticing Lip Gloss Matte from LA Colors. Hope you like it, guys. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.